This is the summary created from the video Introduction to MapReduce. Cloud computing and data storage rely on the MapReduce programming model, enabling large-scale data processing on distributed file systems, like each DFS using parallel computing across thousands of processors. Parallel computing models like shared and distributed memory are examined, highlighting the need for inherent parallelism and efficiency as key goals, while addressing inefficiencies caused by synchronization, communication overheads, and work imbalance. For the word frequency problem, processors calculate partial frequencies across document subsets, which are then aggregated, proving more scalable than dividing words across processors for large data and processor counts. The MapReduce programming model involves a phage with mappers and a reduce phage with reducers, where mappers process data and reducers aggregate results based on the problem type, coordinated by a master process. Mapping transforms key-value pairs and produces files per reducer, while reducers fetch mapper outputs grouped by key, apply aggregation functions, and store final results in a distributed file system, with fault tolerance via task reassignment and re-execution. MapReduce efficiency analysis considers various time components, with mapping time scaling with input data size and reducing time scaling with output data, while parallelization introduces overheads from local writes and remote reads, ultimately increasing efficiency as data sizes grow. Key applications of MapReduce include indexing large document collections, executing relational operations like SQL joins and group bys, leveraging its parallel data processing fault tolerance and large-scale capabilities. The MapReduce paradigm allows parallel execution by dividing problems into mappers and reducers, with mappers creating intermediate results and reducers generating final output from mapper data. Mappers create data files for each reducer, enabling data locality, while a master controller tracks mapper and reducer data, handling failures and re-executions. MapReduce enables fault-tolerant processing of massive data on distributed systems, with parallel efficiency as a key goal limited by synchronization overheads and relational operations like joins and filtering executable via the map and reduce phases, providing parallel data processing with failure handling and data locality. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.